Hi, I'm Sharmila and I'm going to talk to you about some Bengali offbeat cuisine. And what is Bengali cuisine without fish and without the king of fish, that is hilsa. Hilsa head is made into a chutney, and that chutney is made, the gravy of the chutney or the liquid of the chutney is made with imli or tamarind. Tamarind is boiled, made into a liquidy syrup, and then a little bit of sugar and or gur, whatever you want, is added, and its sprinkling of salt is added. And on the other side, if you were to saute the head of the fish, break it and boil it within this chutney, the liquid, the tamarind liquid. And once when you're just about to take it off of the fire, add a bit of saunf powder. It tastes yum, and this is had at the end of the meal. This is with plain rice, it's had at the end of the meal.